I stand here not only as a grieving father, but a representative of all the families who are affected by the tragic helicopter crash. This day brings with it painful memories, not just for us, the families, but for the nation and the world at large.
I say thank you, and more so, to my beloved wife, who, during the entire time that I was receiving treatment at Defense Memorial Hospital, she stood by my bedside just to have an eye on me and actually give me the moral support. And to my fellow survivor, Koplo Karanja Mogire, over there, brother, we carry scars, visible and invisible, but we carry more than just scars. We carry something deeper, a responsibility to live, truly live and live well.
The world we live in can be cruel, and we know that these days someone doesn't have to sit next to you to offend you, and there's been a lot said in the social media. I want to say that we pray for those that act in complete ignorance of the feelings and the lives that they touch. God will change their ways.